It's me again, Moyon. Today we guys are gonna talk about nouns. Noun. What is noun? Noun is name of everything. In other words, you can say that noun is that names a person, place, or thing, an idea too. For example, this is a ball. So here, this is a ball. So ball is name of a thing. So here, ball is a noun. She is Marina. So Marina is the name. It's the name of a person. So Marina here is a noun. Russia. Russia is a country. Russia is a noun, is the name of a place, and country is the name. So, Russia and country in this sentence both are noun. There are two categories or type of noun today we guys are gonna discuss about. Number one is common noun. Number two is proper noun. What is common noun? Common noun is a general name, and journal is a common name. For example, the book is on the table. So the book is a name of a thing. So book is a common noun. Table is a name of is a name of a thing. So table is also a common noun. Pakistan is a country. So Pakistan is a country. The country is a name. It's a name. So country is also a common noun. Number two, proper noun. Proper noun is a special name or specific individuals. Proper nouns always start with a capital letter. So, for example, Marina is an amazing teacher. So, Marina is an amazing teacher. Marina here is a special name because Marina is the name of a person that specifies, that tells about a personality. So Marina is a proper noun. There are beautiful places in America. So America here is one country in the world. So America is a special name or the specific individuals, and plus it starts with the capital letter in between. So America is proper noun. If you have any question regarding this topic, you can ask me in comment section below. Bye for now.